All right, everybody. Well, welcome into today's Secret Sauce episode. We're going to dive into the world of faceless video content. So even if you're camera shy, right? A lot of times when I talk to people, hey, you need to be doing more videos. Oh, I can't put my face on video, right? Well, we can still create some videos where you're going to make an impact on your marketing by taking some of these tips. So today I'm going to share the top 3 types of videos you can create today and never have to put your face on screen. You never have to look at this, right? So number 1, and I'm going to try to push buttons and talk at the same time. I'm not as good at that as Eric is, but we'll do our best here. Okay, number 1, an unboxing video. So these videos, it's all about the suspense and the excitement of revealing a new product. So you're going to focus your camera on the product as you unbox it. And that's keeping all eyes on that product, the thing that matters most there. So imagine unboxing the latest gadget or new product that you've got brought into your business to make you more productive. And then you can guide your viewers through each of its features and why it's important to them, and they'll be able to share that excitement of discovering that with you. And even if you don't have any, hey, Aaron, I haven't bought any new toys. I can't afford that yet. Well, if you don't have any new toys coming, you can still simulate the experience your customers might have when they unbox your product. So share your latest or hottest product and how they might expect to receive that in the mail to get them excited about going and placing an order on their own. So that's number 1. Number 2 is a time-lapse video. Right. So a time-lapse video is a powerful tool that basically condenses hours of work into just a few engaging minutes, whether it's creating a product from scratch or even the mundane of organizing your workspace can be very engaging on a time-lapse video. Right. I see a lot of people posting before and after pictures of their spaces. Well, why not take a time-lapse video of that whole thing? And these videos compress the time and show the progress in a really dynamic and fascinating way. So it's not really necessarily about showing the end product, but you certainly want to do that. It's about kind of celebrating the journey along the way. So your customers or potential customers get to see rapid transformation and all the hard work that you put into the back end, like that. And because it goes like that, you almost look superhuman, and your customers go, oh, wow, that's really valuable what they do. All right. And then last but not least here is a behind the scenes video. So everyone loves the peek behind the curtain, right? It's human nature. I know you've seen The Wizard of Oz, right? We want to see the man behind the curtain. So this type of video takes your audience into your daily life of your business, even in the mundane to maybe some of the extraordinary moments, right? So show them a day in your production facility, set up for a big event. Maybe you're going out and going to do an event this weekend. Well, give them that behind the scenes look of what you're doing and why. And hey, come check me out at the local fair, right? And you can do that while showing the front of things, not the selfie view back into your face, right? So it's all about kind of creating that personal connection and giving viewers a raw, kind of unfiltered look at what goes into making your business tick. And again, your face doesn't need to be on screen to achieve this goal. So there's 3 powerful faceless video ideas that can transform how you engage with your audience: unboxing, time-lapse, behind the scenes videos. They each have their own unique charm and can be tailored to suit your marketing strategy. Make these videos and watch that content come to life, all, again, important part, without having to step in front of the camera. So I do also invite you real quick, and I'm going to see if I can get this link on there. Keep an eye on my blog over at oursuccessgroup.com/blog. Tomorrow, I will be releasing a blog post over there that will include these 3 ideas plus 4 more. So it's called 7 Great Video Ideas, and you don't even have to show your face. So check that out over on my blog there tomorrow, oursuccessgroup.com/blog. And Terry, that is my secret sauce for today.